Smart Money Nation, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back at you with another video in the Notary Signing Agent segment that we are on. If you're not checking that out, go to my channel, go to playlist, and how to become a Notary Signing Agent is the playlist that we're on. I am helping you get from nothing to becoming a Notary Signing Agent, and not just that, but actually making money as a Notary Signing Agent. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the red subscribe button so you can join us on our journey to becoming successful here on the Smart Money Nation. If you don't like our videos, if you like the videos, make sure you're hitting the like button, and make sure you're sharing it. That's the one thing I ask for you guys is share the videos, help our community grow. So with that being said, today we're on to the next step. If we recap, in the last video, I showed you exactly what that first step was, which is becoming a notary public in your state. So at this point, you should be a notary. You should be a commissioned notary public in whatever state that you are at. You have your commission, your certification as a notary public, and now you're ready to get to the next step, right? So the next step in becoming a notary signing agent is becoming a certified notary signing agent, okay? And how to do that, I'm gonna show you right now. Let's get started. Hey, 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 okay, so for you to get certified as a notary signing agent, there is one place that is the authority of this, and it is called the National Notary Association, aka the NNA. The NNA is where you want to go to pretty much put yourself in the database, in the pool of notary signing agents that companies, title companies, and every other company that looks for signing agents looks at is the NNA. They're the authority in this, so this is where you come to get certified as a notary signing agent. And I'm going to show you the process on how to do that. So first thing you want to do is go to nationalnotary.org, which will take you to the NNA's website. I will link that in the description below. So you can click on the description there, and you want to go through the process of becoming a signing agent here, right? So as you can see at the tabs up top, become a notary, renew as a notary, signing agent, supplies, insurance and bonds, training and education, knowledge center, and so on. So what you want to click on is signing agent, okay? So we'll click on that, and then as you can see, there is a drop down here with, let me move my big face. There's a drop down right there that says the state. If it's not already on your state, just click the drop down and make sure that you click what your state is. So that way it is certifying you as a signing agent in your state and not in another state. Okay. So with that being said, you want to click on signing agent. It's going to take you here to become certified as a loan signing agent. First, it tells you how it works. Choose your package, get certified, market your services, right? So that's what we want to do here. What we want to click on is become a signing agent. Okay, so you will click on become a signing agent. Okay, make sure the state is under your state, and then click on become a signing agent. Now it's going to give you a few options. Okay, you must already be a notary in order to become a signing agent. I've already helped you guys become notary publics in your state in the previous video. If you haven't checked it out, go to the playlist and check out how to become a notary public within your state. Okay, so we're going to click continue, and we're going to choose a package. Okay, so they have 3 packages that are available, and each of them of course have different things on it. So you feel free to choose whichever package that you want, but I'm going to suggest the package that you need, like the essentials that's needed. So the essentials that's needed here, so the first package, it just only has the background screening only, right? So it has background screening, right? So you need a background check for this, right? So you have that. You have the notary signing agent exam, okay? And then you have 1 year signingagent.com priority listing, okay? The second one has everything no, it doesn't have the 1 year priority, but it has 1 year top tier listing. It has the exam, and it has the background screening, and also has online training course, NSA exam study guide, and training, right? So it has a study guide, exam training, and everything else, plus what you got in the first one. And then the most expensive package has pretty much everything they have listed here. So price difference, it goes from $70 to $259. You do not need the two more expensive ones. You can simply get the cheapest one, the $70 one. What's important and essential here is that you need the background screening and you need the exam. You have to take the exam to become a certified signing agent, right? So the exam is necessary, and then you need background screening to actually take on some of these contracts and signing jobs that you're going to get. So without these two, you can't work. So this is the only two things you need. If you feel like you want to get some training, help on the exam and things like that, you can, go ahead and feel free to purchase one of these other two more expensive ones. I will show you guys in another video on how to, pass the exam and things like that. And I will go more deeper into the exam, of course, in that particular video. But for now, in this section, all you would need is that NSA background screening only, the $70 package. Okay, so you're gonna click that and click order now. And then here we have Eno Insurance. Okay, so errors and omissions insurance, definitely something you need. You're not going to be able to work without this, so you definitely want to get Eno Insurance. Now, how much coverage, excuse me, 1 second, y'all. How much coverage do you need is the question. It would definitely be, I would suggest getting at least $100,000 in Eno Insurance. It's going to be a 1 year term. You can do it year by year, or you can do longer than that if you feel like it. Give me one moment. I'm getting calls, getting blown up right now. 1 second. All right, that was wild, unprofessional, but I had to take the phone call. I apologize about that. But as I was saying, you need, I would say, get at least $100,000 in Eno Insurance. A lot of signing services, which I'll go into detail what signing services are. Basically, the companies that get you signing jobs usually require $100,000. That's usually the standard. So I would say get at least $100,000 in Eno Insurance. As far as for how long, I would say just go year by year. If you like, you can add more and do 2 years, 3 years. It's up to you. So definitely add that. So 1 year with $100,000 Eno is about 108. So select, add that on. You don't need to add the NNA membership. Don't worry about that. Skip that. Skip this step. What is this? Thumbprint. If you like, you can get a thumbprint strip. I've never came across a situation where I needed this. So if you want it, you can get it. As far as the actual things that you need, like the actual logbook, where people, once every time you notarize a document, you have to keep log of the type of document, who signed the document. They have to sign it. You have to write their ID number and things like that on there. So you do need a logbook. I will show you another place where you can get these items for at a much lower price. But if you like to just get it out of the way and get it here, I would suggest getting a logbook or a journal, and also any other tools you can get here on the NNA website if you want to add to that. But for now, you can just skip that and just go ahead through with the basics. So here, everything totals out to about 178. That is your background check, and also your exam, and your 1 year signingagent.com listing. and then also your $100,000 1-year Eno Insurance. That's basically it. Once you've checked out, what's going to happen is that you're going to create an actual account here on the NNA website, and you can also go ahead and edit your profile, add a professional picture on here, put a nice little bio on your actual profile, and then go ahead and take your exam. So the exam will be under your training, education, or knowledge center. You just got to go to my NNA. I will probably log into mine in another video and show you guys the back end of that. But as far as getting certified as a notary signing agent, this is exactly what you need, and this is where you need to go to do that. So with that being said, that wraps up this particular video. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Join us here on the Smart Money Nation as we grow. Help us grow by sharing these videos, liking, commenting. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for this segment. I'm going to show you exactly how to get from where you are right now to becoming a notary signing agent and making hundreds of dollars a day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey.